Hello, welcome to 360 Space. On today's episode, I'll be teaching us on how to grow our TikTok account from zero, from scratch to over 1,000. So we'll be using this account as a case of study. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would advise you click on the subscribe button down and also the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop my next video. So like if you have watched my previous video, I taught us on how to make money from our TikTok account, and when I actually made that video, I just had like 30 subscribers or followers on my TikTok account. But for now, if we could check how many subscribers I have, it's over 1,000 plus right now. This is the account. It's over 1,000 plus. Okay, so I'll be teaching us on how to grow our TikTok account from scratch to 1,000 plus organically. You understand? Organically. I can also get this one to 2,000 plus too if I want to. You get? So how do I grow my TikTok account? How do I grow my TikTok account? How do I get over 1,000 followers on my TikTok account? It's very simple. Just follow people. Like down, there are people like Brain Jota that does live videos. So you just look for any of them or look for any of the live videos you can get. You can search for connect, or let's say get subscribers. So just search any of this, go to live. As you can see, get me to 60k, get me to 40k, guys. So whichever one you want to join, you just come and join it. Okay, so let's join this first one. So once you join any live video, first of all, make yourself visible on the live. So I'm going to be making myself visible on this live now. So I'll just come here. I'll go to this person here. I'll follow him. Come to this tag. I'll tag him to follow back. I'll come here. So you just be tagging everybody to follow you back randomly. Okay, this is another person. FB means follow back. You come to this person, follow back. FB, come to this person.
Okay, I don't follow him. Follow back.
As you can see, from 164, it's now 165. And make sure you follow the gifters too on the live. It's very, very important, so that whenever you also go for your own life, they would also to gift you also. All right. Okay, remember we are on 165. This live is not that active, but we can manage it to grow our followers too. Live is not that active, but we can as well manage it. So now just check again from 165. Okay, still 165. So we're trying to build this. The live is not that active. If not, it would have been more than 200 right now. Follow back.
Guy, where is that race?
Follow back. I am active. Please follow back.
Investor say make you pay stars. Now investor don't
follow back.
Come on.
Okay, let's check how many we are now. Still 165. Please let's change. Let me change the live. Let me change the live to a one that seems more active. Okay, let's use this particular one. That live is very, very dull.
Shock, like at the amount of people that have followed me and the people that leave tips. So thank you so much, and I hope God blesses you immensely.
Right, let's go. FB.
And blesses your children, and
I am.
oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Again, back whoever I am following, so that
okay
he or she will notice
I
me
get
and
it.
follow me back on the live screen.
My husband just left me out of the blue.
Follow back.
As much as I hate to say this, it's not out of the blue. It's been coming for a while. But you are so lovely person. We want to be there with you. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. 500. Thank you, Orly.
So
this is say your name.
Usually how to grow.
Orly
how to grow your
Jr.
TikTok.
Thank you. God bless you, brother. Sister.
Over 1,000 followers. There are people I would actually recommend you to follow.
I have never worn an abaya.
So
I really want to buy one. So bad.
Their life,
I really want to. You're so sweet, inshallah. You.
People like Brain Jota, people like Naira Marley, and the rest of them, they are very, very active on live.
I'm so sad.
So whoever, which of them you follow,
I'm so sorry.
and join their live,
where I live in Houston, Texas.
Massively,
thank you I cannot believe that she is still sending
thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for staying to the end. And please don't leave without subscribing to my channel.
I don't want to ignore the fact that you're